What is the best mirror to use for your makeup application? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the mirror that I am currently testing out. When I was searching for mirrors, this is the one that I really had top of mind. I was super impressed with every detail that has been thought out with this mirror. It is the Riki, I think I'm saying that right, skinny mirror, and I am so far very impressed. By the way, my name is Meagan Brown. I'm a professional makeup artist in Southern California, and I'm all about simplifying beauty and teaching people how to use makeup as a tool to just feel like your best self. Being able to see what you're doing is a huge part of that. So I am on the quest of the perfect makeup setup. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video of showing you what it looks like from opening it to using it while I am filming for YouTube, and a couple of the things that I would love to see in the future from this brand. This mirror has additional lighting. I don't know if you can really see the difference. I feel like every time I watched a video on YouTube, I couldn't tell the difference of what this light provided versus the lights that are also set up in the room. I'll get a little bit closer and show you the difference of how it looks on my face with no makeup. Let's turn it off, turn it back on. Level 1, level 2, level 3. This is what it looks like on my face when I have the phone right in front of me. This is the lighting in the room, no lights on the mirror. Here is when I first turn it on, and here's level 2 and level 3. Definitely adds a lot of brightness for you to really be able to see what you're doing. I'm really excited to do my makeup with this mirror. The only problem, honestly, is that the phone is in the middle of the mirror, so it makes it hard to actually look into the mirror, and then you end up looking at your phone. Not sure how I feel about that one because, you know, I'm not trying to look into my phone while I'm doing my makeup all the time. I would love to be able to see my skin and all the things I need to see up close that everybody else would see. And I did get a magnified mirror, magnified by 10. This is way too magnified for me. You have to get really, really up close to be able to see. I prefer to have a magnified mirror where I can sit in the same place and look into the magnified mirror, just have a closer version of what I'm looking at. But you live and you learn. Also comes with this phone holder that is magnetic, so it's really easy to film and have fun with filming makeup or anything a little closer. Plug it in, obviously it needs to get charged. And I ended up buying the little case for it because I wanted to make sure I kept this protected. Opening it was so much fun. It kind of felt like Christmas morning. The way that everything was packaged was a really beautiful experience, which is something that is really fun when it's like an extra added surprise. I was already excited to get the mirrors, and then the packaging and opening it was like a whole experience. That is my quick review on first impressions. As I use it, I will keep you updated with what I think about it. One thing that I've noticed on YouTube is people try things once and then they give their review. I really believe you have to try things out for a significant period of time to test it, to get your honest opinions, which is why if you're trying out so many things all at the same time, it's hard to have a real opinion about what you're using when you only use it once. Thanks for hanging out with me with no makeup. All right, what did you think? Have you tried this mirror out? Are you thinking about trying this mirror out? Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions that I didn't answer. I would love to answer them as I continue to test this mirror out. A couple of things that I would really love to see from this is this mirror has an attachment to hold my phone. However, I have to use it on selfie mode, and my camera almost covers the entire mirror, which then makes it to where I'm just doing makeup into my phone. So I would love to see a way to be able to attach the phone to this mirror that doesn't block the mirror, so I can still use it to really see. I currently have the mirror on its side as I'm filming, and this has been really helpful for me to be just double checking the way that I look so I don't have random things on my face or hair out of place that I don't see until later in the edit and it's too late. So that has been really helpful as well. Overall, I really think that this product has been very thought out and I am very impressed. I'll continue to keep you updated on my thoughts about it as I use it. I hope that this video was helpful. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to continue to get more information on how to simplify your makeup application to create looks that you love, which involves being able to see properly. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.